Your network contains an Active Directory domain named adatum.com. The domain contains several thousand member servers that run Windows Server Airbase. All of the computer accounts for the member servers are in an organizational unit, OU, named servers accounts. Servers are restarted only occasionally. You need to identify which servers were restarted during the last 2 days. What should you do? Option A. Run query computer and specify the stale parameter. Option B. Run query server and specify the O parameter. Option C. Run get AD computer and specify the last login property. Option D. Run get AD computer and specify the search scope parameter. The correct answer is option C. A company's server virtualization team needs to provision a series of Hyper-V workloads to use existing network storage arrays. The team has chosen to use fiber channel ports within the guest operating systems. Which of the following Windows Server versions can be used as guest operating systems when using Hyper-V fiber channel ports? Option A. 2003 R2. Option B. 2008. Option C. 2003. Option D. 2012. The correct answer is option B, D. You work as a senior administrator at Contiso.com. The Contiso.com network consists of a single domain named Contiso.com. All servers on the Contiso.com network have Windows Server are installed, and all workstations have Windows installed. You are running a training exercise for junior administrators. You are currently discussing a Windows PowerShell command that activates previously deactivated firewall rules. Which of the following is the command being discussed? Option A. Set net firewall rule. Option B. Enable net firewall rule. Option C. Set netipsec rule. Option D. Enable netipsec rule. The correct answer is option B. Your network contains an Active Directory domain named adatum.com. The domain contains the servers shown in the following table. Image. You need to ensure that you can use Server Manager on DC to manage DC. Which two tasks should you perform? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Choose two. Option A. Install Microsoft.NET Framework 4 on DC2. Option B. Install Remote Server Administration Tools on DC1. Option C. Install Remote Server Administration Tools on DC2. Option D. Install Windows Management Framework 3.0 on DC2. The correct answer is option A, D.